Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15 SFQ. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15 SFQ is making strange noises, it could be due to a failing fan. This usually happens when dust accumulates or if the bearings wear out. If left unchecked, it might lead to overheating, which can cause more serious damage to the internal components. To get started on the fan replacement, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat surface, and remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Be careful not to lose any screws, as they can be quite small. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time here to avoid cracking the plastic. Now, locate the fan, it's usually near the heat sink. Look for any visible dust or damage. If you see any, this is likely the culprit. To remove the fan, disconnect the power cable carefully by pulling it straight out. Then, remove the screws securing the fan in place. Remember that these screws may be different sizes, so keep track of which ones go where. Once all screws are removed, lift the fan out gently. Take your new fan and place it in the same position, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the power cable, ensuring it fits snugly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After the fan is in place, it's a good idea to clean any dust from the area using a cloth moistened with isopropyl alcohol. This will help keep your laptop running smoothly. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Finally, screw all the screws back in to secure it. Power on your HP 15 SFQ and listen for any unusual noises. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the fan. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean the vents and fan area regularly. Keeping your laptop in a dust-free environment can also help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.